Okay, today I'm going to show you how to do a provisional cast on for example, for sugarboo, bralette. You will create a little chain with a crochet hook and preferably a cotton blend or cotton yarn. And so you will insert your needle, your working needle, into these little bumps on your chain. And if your pattern calls for to cast on 3 or 4 stitches, you will make your provisional cast on chain with the crochet hook a few stitches longer, so you have a little extra on each side. So there's one, and make sure this short end is on this side, your right hand, and you're continuing on with a longer tail. So there's one, there's two, and there's three, and so on if you need 4 or 5, however many. And that's it. So this way you are ready to purl, as the pattern says. You're ready to purl. Okay, I am going to show you how to work a first few rows in your sugarboo bralette. So I've casted on my 3 stitches using the provisional crochet hook, provisional cast on method. And first row we will purl as it says in the pattern. Okay, and then in this row it says to make an increase on both sides of this stitch. So here how we do this. I'm gonna try to do it as close as possible so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so here we are. We're going to knit first stitch and then make an increase, which is a right lifted increase into this leg right here. I usually don't place it on my needle because it's easier for me, but I'll try to show you. Here it is, right here. And then you insert your needle from this side. Let's start again. You pull this leg up a little bit, and then insert your needle into that leg and yarn through, and then you will knit this stitch, and you have completed the right lifted increase. Now you will need to do a left lifted increase, and this is a little tricky because it's the beginning of the pattern, but the stitch is there. Just gonna look for it right there. Not the first leg, but the second leg, right there. Try to pull that whole yarn leg through. Okay, here we go, sorry. There it is. And then insert your needle, pull the yarn through, and you've made your increase. Okay, let's do this one more time. Now this one is the slip stitch row, so you're going to slip this stitch, purl the rest until you get to 1 stitch remaining on your needle, and then slip it as well. So here we are. Let's do it again. You will knit this first stitch, and then you will make an increase into the first leg right here of this stitch, and then you'll knit this stitch, and you'll knit until there is one stitch remaining, and the left lifted increase is worked in the second leg below, right here. And you insert the needle like that, and then knit your stitch. And that's it. That's the key.